The Row A350 is particularly important really, because it will eventually become an NG in Britain, the NG5. It will be changed slightly, the engine will be different because it needs to meet European legislation for emissions and so on. But basically I'm driving here a car that you're going to be able to buy in Britain very soon.
Essentially then, what we have here is an Alfa Romeo and an NG.
Those, of course, are very sporting names, and that's why we've come to this very picturesque racetrack. What we're going to do is see which of these cars can set the fastest lap time.
But we're not.
No, we're not. We're going to use our tape racing driver. So to say, he's the Stig, but he isn't. He's the Stig's Chinese cousin. I should explain, driving is his second favourite thing.
First favourite.
Technically, he does it a lot. It's constantly, why are you doing that? Why are you going to do some driving? Do some driving. Go. Get into the car. Stop attacking me.
Get in the car.
No, he's got to get in the car. Get in the car.
Trunky.
Get in the trunky. No. That's the director. That is the director. No.
What if I start the engine? Does that do it? Come on.
Come on, do it.
Get back of it.
Do it. Get in.
Oh, yes.
That's the worst Stig we've ever had. Stig doesn't attack the throttle though, does he? Good looking car though.
It is a good looking car. It's great.
It's got the boot shape of the Hamster
Gamma. Yeah.
and it has a more engine.
Is this?
Yeah, the twin spot.